Hello friends, welcome back to Pritha's Cooking House. My today's recipe is one requested recipe and this is chocolate brownie. So this is indeed a favorite recipe for everyone, and today I am going to share with you the easiest way of making chocolate brownie. Let's begin with the process, and before that I must remind you all that if you are new here in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates regarding my recipes. And if you like the recipe, then please like the video, share the video with your family and friends, and please comment on the video. For making chocolate brownie, I have taken here 2 cups all-purpose flour or maida, 2 cups sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup milk, 1 cup refined oil, and choco chips. I have taken here one mixing bowl, and in the mixing bowl I have added around 2 cups all-purpose flour or maida, and now I will be adding 2 cups powdered sugar or sugar powder into it, and we'll give it a quick mix. Now we will be adding the baking powder and baking soda into it, and again we'll give it a quick mix. After mixing all these ingredients, now we will be adding the cocoa powder or cocoa powder into it, and we'll give it a quick mix. All the dry ingredients have been mixed very well. Now at this point of time we need to add some oil into it. I am adding refined oil, but if you want to use butter instead of oil, then you can definitely use some melted butter. And after adding the oil or butter, we need to give it a very good mix. After mixing all the ingredients, now at this point of time we need to add some milk into it, and the milk should be in room temperature. I have taken here full cream milk. Mix it well. After mixing it, I can see that the consistency is not correct at this point of time, so I have added some more milk into it, and we'll give it a quick mix. The consistency or the thickness of the batter is the most important thing for making perfect brownie. You can keep adding milk until you get this texture. This consistency or this texture is very much required for making the perfect brownie. And most importantly, there shouldn't be any lump. Now see, I have taken one cake baking mold, and I have greased some oil into it and sprinkled some all-purpose flour on the top so that there will not be any difficulties while demolding the cake. Now we need to add the cake batter into this cake baking mold. There shouldn't be any air bubbles, so for that we need to tap this cake baking mold for 2 to 3 times, and then we will be adding some choco chips or chocolate chips on the top. This is totally optional. If you don't have these choco chips at your home, then you can definitely skip this. In the meantime, I have preheated my oven for 10 minutes on 180 degrees centigrade, and now we need to bake this cake on 180 degrees centigrade for around 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, I have taken out the cake baking mold from the microwave, and we can see that the cake has been baked. With the help of a toothpick, we need to check whether it has been baked properly or not. See, nothing is coming out, so that means the cake has been baked properly. And now we need to keep this aside for 30 minutes to 1 hour so that it becomes totally cool. After 1 hour, I am demolding the cake. See, it looks perfect and it looks so yummy and so delicious. Now at this point of time, we need to cut the cake. I can easily cut the cake. That means the cake is really very soft. Wow. Just look at the cake piece. It's totally baked, it's perfectly baked, and it looks really very yummy. See, I'm pressing the cake with the help of my hand and it's so soft. You can see that it looks really very soft and the texture is perfect. See, it's a perfect brownie. My perfect chocolate brownie is now ready to be served. I hope chocolate brownie recipe was helpful for you, and if you liked the recipe then please like the video, comment on the video and share the video with your family and friends. And if you have any special requests regarding any special recipes, then do let me know by commenting on the below comment section. I will definitely try to bring the recipe in front of you as soon as possible. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get regular updates regarding my recipes. We'll be back very soon with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye. You all take care.